Hi students, today going to teach about second part of circles. I will discuss the topics position of point with respect to circle, position of line with respect to circle, and tangent and normal connective concepts. First of all, you have notation. Here circle general equation treated as S, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 means it is equal to circle under conditions. T 50% change x1 y1 x square written as x into x, one time x other time x1, y square written as y into y, one time y other time y1, g into 2x written as x plus x1 plus f into 2y written as y plus y1 plus c. This is useful for tangent connectivity, that's why using s1 means in the s each and every x replaced by x1, y replaced by y1, x1 square y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2f y1 plus c. s2 means in the place of x and y replaced by x1 and x2 and y2. Now I will discuss about the position of point with respect to circle. Position of px1 y1 with respect to circle s equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is circle, it is center C, center is minus g minus f, radius is root g square plus f square minus c. It is exterior. Inside interior on. Now I will discuss position. P lies outside of circle. Then what will happen? This is circle, this is C, P here, immediately join P and center, extend it, meet at 2 points, this A, this B. Now here radius value already. CP, distance from point P to C, is greater than radius. CP square greater than R square. CP square means you have C point coordinates minus g minus f, P coordinates x1 y1. Apply distance formula. x1 plus g whole square plus y1 plus f whole square greater than radius square g square plus f square minus c. Expanding x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 2fy1 plus g square plus f square greater than or greater than radius square g square plus f square minus c. Here both the sides g square f square cancelled. Now what will happen? X square plus y square x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c greater than 0. That means s1 is positive. If the point is outside, s1 is positive. Cp square minus r square here getting simply s1. Keep it in mind. Second case, P inside of circle. Then what will happen here? It is C, it is P. Join. This is Cp. This is radius. Cp is less than r. Cp square less than r square. Cp square minus r square less than 0. Already Cp square minus r square derived in the last case. This is S1. S1 is less than 0 if the point inside. Third case, P on circle S equal to 0. P is here. Then R value, Cp value equal. Cp square equal to R square. Cp square minus R square is 0. S1 is 0. Got it? And one more thing, I will discuss minimum distance from point P to the circle. Distance from P to circle S equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. First case, P outside of circle. Here what will happen? P outside means diagram of circle, then center. P is supposed to be here. Join Cp. It is A. Extend it. It is B. Whenever joined P and center, the line joining Cp cuts the circle at A and B. A is nearest point, B is longest distance point on the circle. Least distance PA. P to S equal to 0. This value equal to Cp minus R. P divides PC A divides PC in Cp minus R is to R internally. Okay. PB is largest distance. From P to circle S equal to 0. This value equal to Cp plus R. B divides PC in Cp plus R is to R externally. Next case, P inside of circle. C is this one, P is like this. Join PC and extend it. Cut set A, cut set B. What will happen here? PA minimum distance or least distance. From P to S equal to 0. That value is R minus Cp. PB largest distance. From P to S equal to 0. This value equal to Cp plus R. In the same way, ratio you can decide. Third case, P on the circle S equal to 0. This center, it is P point. Join P and A coincides. PA least distance is equal to 0. PB largest distance is equal to 2R. Now position of line I will discuss. Before that I will explain tangent and normal. At S equal to 0 be a circle. PQ secant line. Secant line means cuts at 2 points. If Q coincides with P, then secant line PQ changes to tangent at P. On circle. Its meaning Tangent means the line and the circle have only one common point, P. P is point of contact. I will draw the diagram now. It is P. Tangent touches at only one point. This is a tangent, and normal is the line through P perpendicular to tangent. It is normal. Normal always passes through center. The derivation also I will do. The line through P and perpendicular to tangent at P is called normal. Okay. Now, length of tangent. Let Px1 y1 be an exterior point. Exterior point of circle. S equal to 0. This is P, x1, y1, touches at A, normal, this one is normal, it is R, center is X minus G minus F, join these two, this is a right angle triangle, angle CAP 90 degrees. Now CP square equal to PA square plus R square. PA square equal to CP square minus R square. PA equal to root CP square minus R square. Already we did CP square minus R square is S1, shortcut notation. This is root S1, length of tangent, connectivity. Now position of point, position of line. L equal to 0 with respect to circle. S equal to 0. Let C be the center. C is minus G minus F. R be the radius. D equal to distance from center of circle to center of circle C to line L. Line does not meet circle, then what will happen? This is line, this is circle, center to perpendicular drawn, this length is D, radius R, D is more than R. Second case, line equal to 0, L equal to 0, touches S equal to 0 at P. Then what will happen? Join this center to distance D and radius both equal. Okay. Third case, L equal to 0 cuts S equal to 0 at P and Q. That means chord. This is the case. This is center. Center to line distance. The perpendicular bisector of chord passes through center of the circle. It is D. D value less than R. PQ is equal to 2 times PM. Length of the chord also you can calculate. This is R. By using Pythagoras property, PM square is equal to R square minus D square. This is a way of calculation of length of the chord if line is given. Now I am discussing about position of line y equal to mx plus c with respect to circle x square plus y square equal to r square. Line mx minus y plus c equal to 0. This is circle. Center is 0, 0. R is radius. D is the distance from center to line. Mod C by root m square plus 1. If line does not meet circle, then what will happen? D is greater than R. Mod C by root m square plus 1 greater than R. In this case, diagram is like this. Line touches circle, then what will happen? It is a tangent. It is y equal to mx plus c. Circle is x square plus y square equal to r square. Center 0, 0. Here to here distance r. R equal to d. R value is equal to mod c by root m square plus 1. Mod c equal to r into root 1 plus m square. C value plus or minus r into root 1 plus m square. By using this, you get the equation of tangent with the slope form. The equation of tangent to x square plus y square equal to r square with the slope m is y equal to mx plus or minus r into root 1 plus m square. This is most important formula. Here, for each slope, you get two tangents. There are just two parallel tangents. In between distance equal to distance between them these tangents equal to diameter. Why? Because these two having same slope. In between distance it is 2r diameter. Next case, if line y equal to mx plus c cuts circle at 2 points P and Q. In this case, distance d is less than r. D is mod c by root 1 plus m square. Mod c by root 1 plus m square is less than r. Okay. Now I am moving to angle between tangents. Tangents from px1 comma y1 to s equal to 0. And connected concepts also I am discussing now. This is a circle with the center C, P with x1 y1, drawn tangents from P to the circle. There are just two circles from exterior point. This is one tangent touches at A. Another tangent touches at B. Here PA equal to PB is equal to length of tangent. This is we know root S1. My assumption APB is equal to theta. Drawn perpendicular at A, perpendicular at B. These are normals, passes through center. And The angle bisector of APB passes through center of circle. Because angle bisector definition, the locus of point which is equidistant from two intersecting lines. It is theta by 2. It is theta by 2. This is R. This is R. This is root S1. Now you get from triangle APC tan theta by 2 R by root S1. Theta is 90. What will happen? Tan 45 is 1 R by root S1. Then you get R equal to root S1. Next connectivity here, area of triangle PAC and area of triangle PBC. Here right angle triangle, these two half into R into root S1, half into base into height. Area of quadrilateral PACB, 2 times of triangle area, that is equal to R into root S1. That also useful. And here PACB are concyclic points. Why? Because sum of opposite angles A plus B 180 degrees gives P plus C angles also 180, and also the circle drawn on PC as a diameter as PC diameter passes through A comma B. I will draw the circle here. This is a circle, PC diameter. Here join AB also. Now circumcircle of triangle ABC, triangle PBC, triangle PAC, triangle PAB is PC diameter circle only. Circumcenter of triangle PAB, triangle PBC, triangle PAC, triangle ABC is equal to center of circle with PC as diameter. this coordinates center PC diameter means minus G minus F, C coordinates, P coordinates x1 y1. It is midpoint of PC, x1 minus G by 2, y1 minus F by 2. That is circumcenter of any of the triangles. Now one more thing. We have a chance to calculate area of triangle PAB and ABC also. PAB, it is equal to half into PA into PB into sine of angle between them. We know one thing. This is theta. Base B, height H. How to get area? I am assuming it is C. Area equal to half into base into height. By using right angle triangle, sin theta is equal to H by C. H equal to C sin theta. That means delta equal to half into BC into sin theta. Half into product of adjacent sides length into sine of angle between them. Here PA root S1, PB root S1, sin theta, you know tan theta by 2, 2 tan theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. 2 gets cancelled. S1 tan theta by 2 is R by root S1, 1 plus R square by S1. Applying LCM, R into S1 power 3 by 2 by S1 plus R square. This is area of triangle PAB. If you need area of triangle ABC, this angle is theta, means this angle is pi minus theta, half into R into sine of pi minus theta. I am calculating area of triangle ABC, half into R into sine of pi minus theta, half into R square into sin theta. Sin theta is 2 tan theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. 2 gets cancelled. R square into tan theta by 2 is R by root S1. 1 plus R square by S1. Applied LCM here. R cube into root S1 by S1 plus R square. This is area of triangle ABC. I think it is clear. These are important concepts for JEE, and how to find tangent equation at a point. Normal equation at px1 y1 on x square plus y square is equal to r square. This is circle. P is a point, it is tangent, it is normal, passes through center, here 0 0 center, or its radius. Px1 y1 lies on x square plus y square equal to r square. Slope of tangent at any point is dy by dx, derivative at a point. Differentiate with respect to x. 2x 2y into dy by dx is equal to 0. Y into dy by dx is equal to minus x. dy by dx equal to minus x by y. Slope of tangent is equal to m is equal to dy by dx at p. Replace minus x1 by y1. Tangent y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. M value you know, minus x1 by y1 into x minus x1. Cross multiplication y minus y1 into y1 equal to minus x1 into x minus x1. Expanding y into y1 minus y1 square is equal to minus x into x1 plus x1 square. Now x1 plus y1 is equal to x1 square plus y1 square. You know, P lies on x square plus y square equal to r square. Substitution satisfies. So this value equal to r square. X1 plus y by 1 is equal to r square. This is tangent at px1 y1. Normal at px1 y1. Slope of normal perpendicular to tangent minus 1 by m. That means y1 by x1. Point passing is x1 y1. So y minus y1 equal to slope y1 by x1 into x minus x1. Y x1 minus x1 y1 is equal to x y1 is minus x1 y1. x1 y1 both the sides cancelled. Taking right side, y1x minus x1y, this is tangent. Clearly it passes through 0 0. That means normal passes through normal of circle, passes through center. Okay, the length of intercept made by normal on circle is equal to diameter, it is equal to 2r. One example, find equation of tangent and normal at 3 comma 4 on x square plus y square equal to 25. The point definitely lies on it. Tangent formula is x(x1) plus y(y1) minus 25, just like t. x1 y1 is 3 comma 4. Replacing x into 3 plus y into 4 minus 25 equal to 0. 3x plus 4y minus 25. Normal at P, perpendicular to that normal slope. Tangent slope minus 3 by 4. Normal slope minus 1 by m, that means 4 by 3. Y minus y1 is 4, m slope is minus 3 by 4 into x minus x1. No, slope is 4 by 3, normal slope. 3y minus 12 is equal to 4x minus 12. 12 cancelled. 4x minus 3y. This is normal. This is our example. The equation of tangent at x1 y1 on s equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 is t equal to 0. Because the previous one also just looking tangent equation t equal to 0, 50% change. We generalize x(x1) plus y(y1) plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. Normal at px1 y1. Normal always passes through center. Use a two-point form better. Using two-point form, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Point m is slope of normal, y1 plus f by x1 plus g. Y minus y1 is equal to y1 plus f by x1 plus g into x minus x1. This is normal at x1 y1 on the circle. These are concepts connected with position of point, tangent, normal, and angle between tangent, two tangents. Okay, next I will explain remaining part. Thank you all. Kindly subscribe the channel. We will meet again.